In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the perspective grid in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever opened a document and suddenly seen a mesh of angled lines across your artboard, that's the perspective grid. It's a helpful tool for drawing in accurate perspective, but it can be distracting when you don't need it. Today, I'll show you the quickest, cleanest ways to turn it off so you can focus on your artwork. First, let's use the menu method. Look to the very top of your screen for the application's menu bar. Click on View to open the drop-down. In that list, find Perspective Grid. When you hover over it, a submenu will appear. Choose Hide Grid. The moment you click it, the perspective lines should disappear from your canvas. This doesn't delete anything in your document, it simply turns off the visual overlay. If you don't see Perspective Grid right away, just scroll down within the View menu. Some setups, tuck it slightly lower in the list. Now, if you prefer speed, there's a simple keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and I together. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and I together. Think of it as a toggle. Press it once to hide the grid, and press it again to bring it back if you ever need it. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure the Illustrator window is active and you're not currently typing in a text box. Clicking once on the artboard can help refocus the shortcut. A quick note on what you're seeing: the perspective grid is just a guide, not an object on any layer, so it won't export or print. And that said, hiding it can reduce visual clutter and make it easier to select and edit artwork without